What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a flex probe on the cheap. Why do you need one? Because sometimes you gotta check the pins, man. And it's good to have extra connectors like right here. It's good to check for pin fit. And a lot of connectors nowadays, they tell me that they do a lot of fraying. And that's a flex probe. They'll sell you one for 20 bucks and there's a kit. And it'll hook up to your multimeter with banana connectors or banana jacks. So here I'll just show you how to take a old connector that you might have laying around, or sometimes you go to a junkyard and connector ends up in your pocket by complete accident or something. But yeah, no. Hey, make sure you keep the smaller male connectors or pins. In this case, the smaller the better. Everything's getting smaller, and for testing purposes, you always need a pin fit or something that doesn't mess up the actual connector itself. That's why we need to have flex probes. But here I'm just showing you how to take one apart. But yeah, no, you could have one of these laying around, and don't throw it away, man, because you might need it. But I do advise you do this. Get yourself some banana probes or banana jacks, male and female. In this case, that's a female banana jack, 4 millimeter, $9. And then you get the connector you just took apart, or your pin you took apart. I like to get it in there and then wrap the wire and a Y around it. And then to give you the same quality as a flex probe, I solder mine. I recommend you solder it, preferably not on top of towels, because they burn. So don't make that mistake. I didn't have my helping hands on me when I made this. But yeah, I just solder at the little hole they give you, and then I solder all the way around till I can make sure I have a connection. And then for shrink wrap, I have the one with the adhesive inside to coat it a bit better and protect it from moisture. But technically, this is just for testing purposes. But yeah, man, straightforward. Here you see me, and then see that's the shrink wrap. Look, 14 bucks. You just spend what one Flex Pro would cost you, and you could make as many as you need. And I'm hoping you have a soldering iron and Ross and cord laying around. Oh yeah, by the way, this shit gets hot, so be careful. But yeah, sometimes making your own tools and knowing what you did to them is nice. And here I'll show you how, if you actually get banana jacks, you can start making your own connectors so you can properly test everything. See, 4 millimeter banana jacks, guys, male and female, and you can get them on the cheap, man. And some good quality shrink wrap. And you can make your own connectors to start testing. Save yourself some money, because you know test leads are ridiculously expensive. Hope this helps you guys. Uh, Catch you in the next one. Here's the price of a kit.